Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Okay, so what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a product review of the SoundSOUL speakers. These are water speakers, and I believe they come with Bluetooth and an aux cable. What makes these special is that they shoot up water in rhythm with the song that you're playing, which is really cool. I've tested these out once. I'm going to call this an unboxing, but I've already taken this stuff out. I put it back in the box for the unboxing. It can be recharged via USB, which is cool. Yeah, so let's crack this thing open. Hopefully I don't destroy the box if I ever want to package this up again. Also, as you can see here, here's the back of it. You can plug it into your laptop. Portable game player. It looks like a PSP. Wow. So I was lucky to get these from SoundPete's, part of their influencer program. If I could open this. There we go. Okay, so they sent me the blue model, which is cool. I didn't want pink. Just because I didn't think that looked too good. So yeah, got the blue model here. Take these out. Here they are. Let me just zoom out slightly. There we go. So here are the two speakers that come with it. And as you can see, there's some water in there, a little water. I like the blue. Good color. So it is stereo since there's multiple. And I don't know if camera will focus on this. But these four buttons, left to right. One is volume up and down. Sorry, let me just... One is volume up and down, power, and play pause. The third one here changes the mode, Bluetooth or aux. And the last one is volume down or reverse. So yeah, you get those in the box. Got a little weight to them, but still kind of light. Also, you get some, I don't know, receipt. And if I could open this, you get some paperwork, whatever. Don't read that. And then you get cables. Gotta love cables. Aux cable. And then this one is a USB to charge it up. I think it's micro. Is it micro? Yep, that's a micro USB cable. And this is another cable that connects the two speakers together so they play simultaneously. Okay, so I'm now going to set these up and I'll be back for a sound review. Okay, so I got these set up now. I got them plugged into my iPod. The aux goes in the back, and it switches in between modes. You just click the mode button. So let me see if I can play something. Something non-copyright, hopefully. Okay, let me just go to Safari and type in non-copyright music. Okay, let's see what we got here. My iPod is so old that it doesn't even support the YouTube app anymore. And I can't upgrade to the latest software, so it basically makes this thing completely obsolete. It's like, why would you buy this? Click on this. So you guys will see. Just tilt it up a little. See how these things can handle. Want to play? Oh my god, technology has come far. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I think you get the gist. Oh, I like that. And when you lock your phone, it no? Okay, never mind. Okay, so with these, sound quality is good. I feel like it could be a little louder, but the main thing here that I will say is you're not paying for the sound quality particularly. It's good, but it's not great for stereo speakers. It gets loud, just I think it could get a little louder. You're mainly paying for the water feature. I think it's dope. I really like these lights. It gives it a cool effect. I think this would be great for if you're in college and you want to put these in your dorm room, honestly. These would look good. I'm probably going to most likely do that myself. So yeah, it's a good entry-level speaker if you want to look cool in front of your friends. Honestly, I'd recommend these. I'll put the link down on Amazon down below. I'm actually not sure how much these go for. I think they're pretty affordable. I'll probably look it up and put it on screen now for you guys to know. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. These things are awesome. Go check them out on Amazon. SoundPeats. Well, SoundPeats is a SoundSOUL, whatever. Same thing. But go check these out. Awesome product. Highly recommend it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment down below what you thought of this video. Like the video. Helps it get out there. And turn on notifications so you subscribers know exactly when I upload. Upload every other day so you guys can know my upload schedule. I'm being consistent now. Summer break. I got this. So do all that good stuff. Follow me on Twitter if you want. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.